Okay, so we are gonna talk hinge motion because we see it all the time in classes. When you guys hinge, you tend to start to squat. That is not the goal. The goal is to just push our hip abductors backward. So you're holding your kettlebell, my spine is neutral, my chin isn't looking up or down, it's completely straight. And as I hinge my hips backward, notice my knees aren't bending just yet. I'm hinging those hips backward to the point where my spine is naturally going to fall toward the ground. And as I snatch up, I'm pushing through the balls of my feet and using my hamstrings to get a full extension. Now, I put a nice little foam roller back here. Great exercise to do to know if you're hinging correctly. Knock this guy over with your booty, okay? I know that sounds weird, but trust me, that is how you will know if you're hinging. Okay, here we go. Hinging at the hips. Notice how my knees are slightly bent, driving up through those hamstrings and balls of my feet, and that is how you hinge.